Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the e-waste reduction system using image processing. So in that project, user have to upload any input video or image to that model, and using YOLO VLAN model, it will detect the e-waste from that particular video or image. Or it also work on the live detection part. It will open the laptop front camera and it will identify the e-waste. It will take the multiple things like we already shown in that categories like battery, computer mouse, electronic keyboard, laptop projector, smoke detector, washing machine. These all are the categories. You can upload any image or video. Okay, so let's upload an input image as mouse. It will detect the mouse. Now we are uploading the drone image and it will identify the drone. This is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.